This time I'm building terminology, Brick Sill. The term brick sill refers to a cut or shaped brick placed at an angle, on edge, or on flat, just means on flat of the brick, not the bricks placed flat, underneath a windowsill and projecting from the wall line so it will shed rainwater clear of the wall. So here you can see a cut brick on edge sill. So they've cut the back end off the brick to allow it to sit up underneath this aluminium profile. They've made sure that the plastic or polyurethane weather strip is sitting on top of the brick. They've actually packed it up on some mortar. Now, depending on how big that bed may need to be, they could do that and let it dry and then basically glue it to the bed, or they could do it in one hit. But they also need to make sure that in through there somewhere they have some weep holes to allow any moisture that gets in behind the brick, and hopefully it'll hit this flashing and it will need to come back out of the building. So they have to have a row of weep holes underneath that brick sill as well.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.